This is the full loan amount. Now please return my documents. Sure. I have a surprise for you. Please come back. Welcome home.
It's so beautiful. I feel dizzy.
Are you okay? Hold on. I'm calling the doctor. Your wife's kidneys are badly damaged. We need treatment quickly. You will need a lot of money for the operation. Please arrange it as soon as possible before it becomes too late.
This is the amount for the house.
We have started the treatment, but you will still need to arrange more money. What? More money?
The operation was successful. After some time, you will be able to meet your wife.
Please forgive me. I hurt you so much. I don't want anything anymore. I just want you.